So the Google Pixel 9a, I know there's a lot of review out there, but there's something you need to know about this phone that a lot of people overlooked. It's about the pricing and the features that this phone came with. You need to look at it, especially if you're a Samsung or an Apple smartphone user. So the first thing you need to know about this phone is that it's 8.5 millimeter thick, while this iPhone 16 Pro Max is 8.25 millimeter thick. Though this phone has a plastic bag and a Gorilla Glass 3, we cannot of course use it to compare to the iPhone 16 Pro Max that has the Gorilla Glass Armored 2. So they are two different things. Now this phone display is 6.3 OLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max has 6.9 OLED display and the same 120 Hz refresh rate. So, and this phone has 2700 nit peak for its brightness, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max is just 2000 nit peak. So when you see it, you'll be wondering what is, why are people so too much crazy about iPhones. So another thing we need to talk about is that it has dual camera. The first one is the 48 megapixel main sensor and 13 megapixel ultra wide, and the same thing with iPhone 16 Pro Max that also comes with 48 megapixel main sensor, though it has 48 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel telephoto, which is why iPhone 16 Pro Max has a triple camera stand, and the front camera is 10 megapixel while the iPhone 16 Pro Max is 12 megapixel. Then the battery is 5100 milliamp hours of battery with 27 watt wired charging and 7.5 wireless charging. But compare it to the same iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is 4401 milliamp hours of battery. It has 25 wired charging and 15 wireless charging. So, and it runs on Android 15, and that is going to update 7 years. For 7 years it's going to keep updating, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max runs on iOS 18, that the update is still going to be between the same 5 to 7 years upgrade. We come to the storage. The storage here starts from, it has two types, it has two categories when it comes to the storage. The first one is the 128 gigabytes of storage, which is $499 per price, and the 256 gigabytes, which is $599. But for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, when it comes with the 256 gigabytes of RAM, it is $1199. For the 512 gigabyte and 1 terabyte, the price is $1600. You can see the gap in the pricing. So, and both of them has IP68 rating. So the same way the Google Pixel 9a resists dust and water, that same way the iPhone 16 Pro Max also resists water and dust. So they are almost the same thing. So for me, I don't know just this hype, but I will say, if you are somebody that needs something that you are going to be comfortable with, that is going to give you almost, if not the same quality of functionality, I will definitely advise that you go for this Google Pixel 9a, because it has the same performance and every other thing. I don't even want to say that it has more performance than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The only difference is because of the body, because this is plastic while the other one is titanium. So that is all I have for you on today's video. Hit the like button, comment and tell me how you feel about these two phones, if it's something that you want to try out, and see you in my next video. Peace out.